Okay, I'm answering another question. It's about the best type of digital marketing. I got this question on Reddit Digital Marketing, and this guy says, I have a colleague that is looking to get into digital marketing to help with my business. I sell stock market specific software. Where should he start and which type should he start with? I've seen that there are tons of different areas you can go, whether that be CEO, social media, email marketing, etc. So if you want to promote your business digitally on the internet, because this is what digital marketing means, I think this question is like very broad. So I'm just gonna give you like the perspective, a better perspective. The first idea that you'd like to answer here is, what is the stage of your business? Are you just starting out? Do you have customers? Do you have some organic channels that are working? Right? So let's say ideally that that business is working well. This business is getting customers, and this business, because he says he's doing a software company. So basically, what he might be struggling with, I'm not sure because he didn't provide the information, would be like churn rate, getting new customers, keeping current customers. So if you already have an established business, one of the best things to do to increase the revenue, if you have a, let's say, audiences, if you have a list, I would say start with email marketing, because it's the easiest win you could do. And I believe on the long term, email marketing will give you a great return. So email marketing will be my number one suggestion. If you're just starting out, I suggest you also implement email marketing. But first, before you do email marketing, you actually need to have a list. So you need to do activities that will help you build a list. List building activities could be posting content on social media. You post a video, let's say on Instagram, Twitter, Instagram. People find the video, they find you, they find your website, they opt in, they become subscribed to your list. You could do search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, what is it? You start creating blog posts, articles. People go on the search engines, they search, your article appears, they go to your website, they leave their name and email, and they become subscribers. Sorry. The bad thing with like with organic marketing is that it doesn't matter if you're like starting YouTube, if you're starting blog, it takes a lot of time to drive traffic, to drive traffic. So for my personal point of view, I'm doing this YouTube channel for 3 years. Yesterday I had my 3 years anniversary. I think I managed to get some decent results, but I'm like not exploding. I'm uploading a video each day for the last 3 months. You can see you can see my previous videos. I'm investing a lot of effort into building my channel, but I'm not getting the best return on my time investment and my money investment, because publishing videos takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort. You need gear, you need, for example, you need to invest in like tools to create thumbnails, video editing software, etc., etc. So those things are great if you can figure those organic marketing channels, but they also take a lot of time. The next thing that I want to talk about, this will be paid advertising. If you're starting out, you don't have a budget to run ads. You cannot do 1,000 per day on ads, 2,000 per day on ads. However, if you're an established business, I think paid ads would be like my second suggestion. So I would start email marketing, I would do paid ads. And as a third, I would do organic marketing, right? So basically if we can, it's called digital marketing, but at the end of the day, there are just like two types of digital marketing: organic digital marketing versus paid digital marketing, right? Organic digital marketing channels are search engine optimization, social media, email marketing. This is something that happens like as a secondary channel, so I won't discuss that. But the paid media Is Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Twitter ads, for example, paying for promotion. You could pay somebody on Instagram to give you a shout out. You can pay somebody on YouTube to feature your product or feature your service. So you have a lot of opportunities with paid media. The worst thing with organic media or with organic marketing is that organic marketing is free, but it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. Building a blog is gonna take you years. Um, Editing YouTube videos is gonna take a lot of your time actually. Publishing on Instagram or Twitter, it might work, you might get lucky, you might get some videos viral, but you still need to be invested into a long-term strategy, right? So organic is slow, it works. There is tons of competition on organic. So this morning I was browsing my YouTube shorts and I see all those amazing content creators, right? I saw Chris Williams, Patrick Bay David. I saw some celebrities are going to YouTube right now. I saw Cristiano Ronaldo start YouTube channel. So the competition is fierce, but there is also a lot of traffic. There is also a lot of traffic on YouTube. So there is still a lot of opportunity. The same thing happens with like search engine optimization, SEO. You need to write a good article. People write the good article. You need to rank the article. So there is like a lot of things that happen. Paid ads, you run the ads today, you see how many clicks it has, you see how many um, people have actually bought it. Personally, my area of expertise is running Facebook ads for people. I also run Google ads and YouTube ads, and I had amazing results with ads. The level you could use Facebook ads and YouTube ads to scale a business is insane. For example, I work with companies and I help them scale to 8 figures running paid ads. So it's extremely powerful strategy. Also, here I just want to talk about the technical aspect of running ads because running ads is not that simple. There are a lot of like a lot of skill set that goes into like running ads, into like media buying, right? So in order to run ads, you might need a team, you might need to hire an agency, you might need to hire a freelancer because you want to hire a good person to manage your ads because you'll be spending a lot of money. This is not the area you would like to save money on. So for an established business, here's what I would do. I would choose email marketing as my primary option, as my primary source. I would pick one paid channel, Facebook ads, Google ads, or YouTube ads. And the third thing, I would start developing either a YouTube channel, either a blog. This would depend on the business, right? If you're just starting out, I would do things in a very different way. I would start with organic marketing because you don't have any money. I would go crazy on organic. For example, you could choose YouTube, you could choose blog, whatever. But I would I'm doing it right now. I'm doing a challenge. I'm publishing a video a day. But if I'm starting out again, I would still do it. I would pick, let's say, a platform. This could be blog, and I would publish one article per day for next 5 to 6 months, and I'll do it. I'll do just like a content marketing challenge, organic marketing challenge, and I would go intense. And the idea of this organic marketing channel would be to build a list, and then using this list and my organic marketing, I would sell my products and services. And once money starts rolling in, I would go into paid traffic. Okay. Also, I cannot say this is the best marketing channel. You should go all in. For example, different businesses will find different channels much more popular, much more efficient. Let's say if I sell cups, coffee cups, right? The channel that might work the best for me could be TikTok, right? It could be TikTok. I might go on TikTok. I'll be creating like viral videos. People will like them. I'll have my link in the bio. People will click and they'll buy the cups, right? However, if I sell, let's say, software that optimizes my 4K video performance that is specifically made for video editors who work on Adobe software or whatever. Like, I can create videos on TikTok, but chances of like um the video editor seeing those videos are quite small because they might not be spending time on TikTok. Right. So what I would do, I would use, let's say, keyword. I would use keyword strategy, keyword marketing. By keyword marketing, I would create content that is optimized for, let's say, video editors. Right. I would start with like 10 best tools for video editors, 10 major mistakes video editors make, and I'll start creating content for blog, search engine, YouTube, whatever. But this is how I would start. I think this is just my advice, and this is just starting out. If you have a very narrow niche, I think YouTube will be great. I think articles, search engine optimization will be great. When we talk about broader content, you can go on social media, for example, on like Instagram Reels, Shorts. You know, for example, if you're talking about weight loss, a lot of people are interested in weight loss. Pretty much every fifth person right now is overweight, so your audience is right there. And this is very very simple. So think about it. Think about the aspects of your business. Here you need to be very strategic. For me personally, I chose YouTube. I tried Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, but personally, also I'm not great on video. I'm not great on video. You can see I'm not watching at the camera all the time. You know, I describe myself. Uh, I'm losing my word. You know, I cannot express myself properly because it's not my native English language. But I still do it. For this in the long term. I invest into like paid ads. One thing that I want to do for my business is uh, create a better email marketing strategy, but I never do it. I never do it. Actually, I'm quite a good writer. In English, I'm quite a good writer. I should do it, you know. This advice I'm giving you that I'm not doing myself about the email marketing, but it's like very, very powerful. Yeah, this is the video for today. This is the best type of marketing you could do. Very chaotic video, very random video, but I don't